Hey dolls, it's me Shah from Pinkbox Cereal, and in this video I just nak buat tutorial skincare yang bertemakan susu and also honey. So milk and honey facial routine. First of all, I akan removekan my makeup semua, tapi bukan mata lah, just nak buat kat belah muka. Actually boleh guna tau super toner ni, this whitening toner can be used as a makeup remover juga. I dah basahkan dah this magic sponge. So this is a magic sponge daripada website, you can cari sendiri, and you can spray this one. So this is actually a whitening toner, but you can use it as your makeup remover as well. The next step, dah remove makeup, don't forget to wash your face. Cleanse your face with a cleanser. Any cleanser will do. But for this tema, since it's all milk and honey, I'm going to use rice soap, okay? By the Beauty Hacks. This one. So, tada! Okay, you can wash, boleh basahkan dekat sink, but you know I like to use my beauty water instead. Alright. Buat macam ni. Okay, biar dia jadi macam very foamy. And gently wash your face macam biasa. Around 10 counts is fine. So 10 kali pusing, fine. And now bilas. Okay. Again, like I said, I tak cuci my face dekat sinki sebab I tak guna air sinki. That cerewet. Okay. Dah cuci muka and dah remove makeup tadi. It's the fun part. I will use face scrub made of milk. So this one is the Beauty Hacks punya scrub. It's very good kalau kulit you tak cukup energy kusam kan. Okay, dia punya texture dia very nice, very milky. Very good kalau orang yang kulit kering, you can use this scrub. Very nice. But scrub seminggu sekali je cukup lah. If you have oily skin, you boleh scrub lebih daripada 2 kali seminggu. Lebih dari sekali seminggu. Kulit kering, seminggu sekali cukup. Tapi this milk treatment, milk and honey treatment ni I buat dalam 2 minggu sekali je pun actually cukup. Yeah. So usually kalau milk ni orang nak macam nak tambah seri kan, you nak moisturizekan your skin, kasih dia lembut, and also kalau yes you ada whitehead ke blackheads ke, scrubbing is very good. Tapi this one is gentle. Dah scrub dalam seminit, kita terus cuci muka kita. Alright, bilas. So gently wipe all the scrub away. And now my actually ultimate favorite part is to pakai masker. Okay, pakai mask. So I'll be wearing Bau Beef punya Friday Night Coconut Milk Mask. It's very moisturizing. So rasa macam kulit macam baby je lepas pakai ni. Okay, so this one macam khas lah kalau kulit you rasa macam kulit buaya ke kan. You nak lembutkan the skin, you can use this one, Friday Night Mask. It's very moisturizing and very soothing. So it is very hydrating to your skin. Okay, so boleh pakai sekali-sekala lah this one. Okay, I letak dalam this much. Okay, dalam mangkuk. Jangan campur dengan sudu besi ke anything besi, because kalau tak dia akan kacaukan the actives dalam this bentonite clay ni. Okay, so lepas tu you can use mineral water pun boleh kalau tak ada yang I punya beauty water ni. Rose water is fine, tapi bukan air sinki lah, jangan guna air pipe. Okay, so mix it, buat jadi macam texture ice cream macam tu. Okay, I dah bancuhkan. You can take dia punya ni and sapu je all over your face. You can put it on your neck as well, and your body pun boleh. So macam mandi susu lah. Very nice, soothing. Masukkan air mineral. After 10 to 15 minutes, I akan guna air mineral yang sejuk from the fridge dan letak dekat dalam bekas besar untuk bilas. Ketat dah. done. I dah bersihkan my skin. And just now ada cakap tema dia adalah susu and honey kan? And I didn't even put any honey in my mask or even scrub routine. So actually the honey part is the moisturizing part. Kalau korang ada buat scrub ataupun masker, guna masker face mask macam clay macam ni, you must moisturize your skin lebih sikit because your skin might be a bit tired after all that detoxing. But before moisturizing your skin, before you moisturizkan your face, you must tone your skin dulu. So I'm going to use super toner tadi balik. This is a whitening toner, but up to you, whatever toner that korang ada. So spray je. Dah tone your skin, you can moisturize your skin pula. So I'm going to use face mask The Beauty Hacks honey punya version, okay? Dia ada dua, satu face cream lagi satu face mask. I'm going to use yang face mask honey punya, okay? This one. Alright. It's very sedap, very moisturizing, soothing. Kalau orang kulit sensitif boleh pakai this one. Either dab or you nak massage sikit pun boleh. But for me, I ni suka dab. Alright, I like to just dab, tambah sikit on my skin ni, kasih energy, okay, blood circulation. You can put dekat bawah mata sikit, kasih dia hydrate dekat sini, okay, kawasan-kawasan yang maybe you a bit tired sikit kan, dekat bawah mata. And you are done. Tu je, okay, the routine, and it's very nice. You don't have to do this every day, no. You can use it dalam 10 hari sekali boleh, seminggu sekali, 2 minggu sekali. It's nice to rejuvenate your skin once in a while. So the products are all in this one box. I can tunjuk kat korang. I ulang balik. So the first thing that I did is I guna super toner ni untuk remove my makeup. And then I guna pencuci muka rice soap bar. Lepas dah cuci muka, I pakai scrub, face scrub made of milk, Beauty Hacks juga. And then kita pakai masker, kita pakai Friday night mask, coconut milk clay mask. After that, tonekan dulu our skin, okay, dengan super toner ni balik, tone. After toning your skin, kita moisturize the skin with face mask made of honey. Okay, as for the tools yang I pakai tadi dalam the video is I pakai silicone facial brush, okay, and I pakai the magic sponge. Dia memang akan dapat dalam ziplock bag macam ni. And also water tadi I guna beauty water, Pink Box Cereal beauty water. If any purchase whatsoever dekat shop.pinkboxcereal.com, dekat I punya online beauty store, korang memang akan dapat this box for free, this magnetic vanity box for free. Comel tak? Okay, so any purchase, no minimum purchase. So that's all for now. So bye bye dolls. All the best in your skincare journey. Bye.